We're one of the few practices in the nation that exclusively uses implanter pins for graft placement. We do this partially because we only perform FUE procedures. Like I mentioned before, FUE grafts are more fragile than strip excision grafts. They have to be handled more carefully. And hand placing FUE grafts, in our opinion, leads to poor growth. So that is the reason that we use implanter pins. Now, implanter pins are great for placing grafts, but it puts a lot more pressure on the physician because implanter pins use a model called stick in place, where the incision is made as the grafts are going into place. To do stick in place, the physician has to be placing the grafts. So instead of delegating this procedure to technicians to place all the grafts, the physician is with the patient the entire day. This is hard on the physician, but results in a much better result for the patient. We have both experienced this and through communication with other doctors who have confirmed that as well. So the reason we use implanter pins, even though it's harder on the physician, is because we get better growth for the patient.